Gayatri Mantra, the mantra of good intellect. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Today's story is Greedy King. Once, a king was leisurely walking on the bank of a river. He had a wish. Let's go for boating on that day. He called his minister and boarded a boat and started his voyage. While traveling, he crossed the border of his country and entered in another country. There, the king saw that the citizens of other country were using the water of the river. He asked the minister, "Do these people pay us tax for using the water from our river?" The minister replied, "My lord, this river is a part of nature over which everyone has right. So demanding money or tax on water is not desirable." But the king ordered the minister strictly, "Go and call a meeting of the engineers and build a dam over the river near our border and stop their supply of water. If they don't get water, they will come to us, and at that point of time, we can ask them for tax." The minister explained, "By building a dam and withholding water can cause floods in our state." Even then, the king said, "Do what I have ordered." The minister came back, called a meeting of the engineers, and ordered them to build the dam. The engineers built the dam and closed the gate of the dam at the given time. The water level increased significantly high overnight, and the country was flooded. Next day, the king got up and saw that flood water entered in his palace. Again, he called his minister and inquired, "Where is this water coming from?" The minister replied, "My lord, you ordered to build a dam over the river. We built the dam, the level of the stagnant water rose high and resulted in flood in our country." The king immediately ordered, "Go and break the dam. Let the water flow in another country so our citizens will be safe." The dam was broken and the water was allowed to flow into adjoining kingdom. The next day, the meeting of the councillors was called. The king admitted his mistake and said, "Thought of greed entered in my mind and made me blind. So today, I have decided that whatever resources I have, will use them in public interest. I won't allow the thought of greed to touch my mind." Dear children, have you seen how greed spoils the wisdom of the king? Mean thinking leads to wrong judgment, and consequently, wrong judgment leads to horrible results. So, if you want to achieve progress in life, stay away from the very idea of greed. And whatever resources we have should be used wisely and equally. And do you know, nature is a noble giver. River gives water, trees give fruits, wood, the moon and sun give light, cow gives milk. We should learn to give. It's our prime duty. If we love others, we will get love in return. When we make others happy, our life becomes happy. This is the law of nature. Whatever we give to others, it will return back in multiple. Noble thought. Our spiritual teacher Sri Rama Sharma Acharya says, human life is for giving and not for receiving. When we sow a single grain of maize in the farm, Mother Earth returns back in thousands of it for us.